Hello everyone, today we are going to be making watermelon slushy. You will need a watermelon and limes. Now we're gonna cut our watermelon into little cubes. And if your watermelon has seeds, you can just remove it out. Here it is, our watermelon after we cut them into little cubes. Now we're gonna put it in the freezer for 3 hours. Okay, after 3 hours, we took out our watermelon cubes. This is what it looks like. In your blender, put 3 cups of watermelon cube, and 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lime. And blend it. Okay, here it is, our watermelon slushy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share, and turn on the notification so you get notified every time we post a video. Bye-bye.